Hey Python learners, in this video we'll be discussing how to make a Netherlands flag using the Python Turtle library. For more such videos, you can refer to our Learn Python series. So let's get started. First thing is to import turtle as t, and we'll write t.main loop at the last so that the turtle screen doesn't disappear immediately after the program is made. And here at first we can draw a line and then we'll see what all to do. Okay, so let us run this. So here you go with the line. Now let us see the Netherlands flag. So this is the first thing which we need to create this, and this seems shorter, right? So let us just make it 300 and then we will make the first strip. Okay, so t dot forward 300 and then we need to rotate it towards right because we have made this line and now we need to make this strip below this rectangle below the line. So we have rotated by 90 and then we can just remove maybe 50. So right off 50 and let's run this. Okay, and the dimension does not seem good, so let us make this 250. Now let us try. Now it's good. The next thing is to rotate it again towards right, then move to 50 and again towards right, and then we can move 50. So we can use the for loop here, t dot right 90, and this can be written inside the for loop for I in range 2. So let us say this. Now a rectangle would be formed. Yes. Now we need to fill this rectangle with this red color. Okay. So to fill the rectangle, what do we need to do is we need to set the color. So fill color red, and we need to write here t dot begin fill. So here filling will be start it, and here the filling should end, so it will be end fill. T dot end fill means till here, just in this for loop the filling will be done. Okay, so let us see, and we have made this. Okay, so the next thing is to make this white strip. So for that we need to rotate it by 90 and then we can move this 100 here. Moving it 100, then we can move it to 50 here and then back to this 50. So let's do it step by step. So the very first thing we said was to rotate it 90 degree and then we need to move forward by 100, I suppose. Let us see this. And yes, now we need to rotate it towards left by 90 and move to 50. So let us see if we're correct with the direction left. Let me run this. And yes, we are correct. Now we need to rotate it towards left by 90 and then we'll move 50. So left 90, can copy this, and now we need to move 50. Let us see. And yes, we have made two strips of the flag. The next thing is we can either take it backwards or we can rotate it by 180 degree and then we can move forward. So let us use the backward version only. So 50 and 50. This means that we need to move it backward by 100, and then we can rotate it left by 90 degree, move to 50. Okay, so let's just comment here. We are making the blue strip, this blue strip now. And here we made the white strip, and here we make the red strip. So what I said was, we can run this again and see. Yeah, so I said to take it backward by 100. Okay, so t dot backward 100, and if I run this again, so we got it here. Okay, now we can just rotate it towards left 90, then move to 50. So we have to write here t dot left 90 and then t dot forward to 50. So we can see we reached here. Now we just have to rotate by 90 and move 50, and our strip will be made. So t dot right 90 and t dot forward 50. So let us just close this and run this again. So we can see a third strip is made. Now the next thing is to fill this with this blue color. So for filling this with blue color, we need to use t dot fill color. Here we'll be writing blue, and here we'll write t dot begin fill. Here we'll write t dot end fill, and let us see if this works. So red strip is made, white is also made, and blue is made, but it's not correct. It has taken half of the area of white also, and this is because let me just comment this and show you why is it so. Just comment this, and if we run this again, so you can see how we made the blue strip was we first came from here, then here, then here. So it thought this is the starting point and this is the ending point, and that's why it happened like that. So one way is to just draw this line so that it gets to know that this is a closed shape. So for that, just write right 90, and then we will write forward, and how much forward it was 250. So let us see if our direction is correct. And indeed we made this, it was correct. Let us hide the turtle now. We'll hide the turtle at the last. If you want to hide the turtle from the very beginning, you can just put this command above. So let us run this again and let's see our flag. So the Netherlands flag is formed. This was all for this video. Do hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more coding content. Happy coding!